So we're gonna take this bump out off. So the power's been cut.
Yeah.
We have temp power from Heath. Now we're gonna start from the inside, take some saws, cut down the side walls, cut the roof out, and take it off with the machine.
Cool, I'll give you a hand.
Great.
How do you want to start this, Charlie?
All right, let's take the plaster ceiling first down. We're gonna cut right from top down to the bottom, right to the sills.
Ah, look at that, Charlie.
That's what we thought. Roof rafters come up, or to the boards on the outside of the house. Just gonna take the sawzall, run it along those boards, cut the rafters, and it'll break the roof free.
All right. Charlie, no obstructions, you're all clear.
Okay, got it. All right, Kevin, make that final cut. All right, Kevin, let's put the forks through the window, put the frame up right to the siding. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna raise you up, and let's see if this will break free from the foundation. If it does, we'll rip the whole thing off. If not, we'll bring it back out.
Got it.
A little more. Go ahead. A little more.
Resistance.
That's really holding down to the sill. Pull it all the way back out. Let's go to plan B. Push through. Push through. Go ahead. All right, go ahead. Perfect. Pull it back if you can.
You want my left fork to go through the open doorway?
Yep.
Puncture my right through the wall.
Yep, and then I think that you might be able to angle the whole building back. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, in. Go ahead, more. Good. Bring it up. Lift it up. Perfect. Nice. Now pull the boom back to you. All right, let's put it over there, Kevin.
Well, it came in 2 pieces, but that actually worked pretty well.
It did. It was a nice work. Really was. But you're not done, though. We still got to button this up before you go.
Oh, maybe I should get some gas.
Yeah, maybe.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.